The government of Salone don't say that they give 72 hours lockdown. This will begin from Sunday and it will end on Tuesday, Wednesday the country will open back. But we get any plan or we get the strength for able for break the infection chain? We experience with Ebola, go able for equi inside this fed? This now the question then, where I want for the users help me for put inside this program. As me don't do my own research based on what they happen in other parts of the world and what itself they happen presently in Salone. No go no side, I come back just now. I been feel pain, you know, I been get cold. I been feel pain, I get cold. Then I find it difficult for breathe. Welcome back. This is your program. We are and my name now Ali UCC. Today, like I said, we look at the 72 hours lockdown where the governments don't give. But remember this thing. Some of we will be small, we only the old book for make with parents or guardian them not see we like for say we no want for study. So we can hold the book, sit down, and not even they read anything. We just turn page by page. At least the parents and the CC will they make effort. We sit on a table for study. But at the end of the day, if you come and ask me question for no waiting we don't achieve out of that study day, the answer knocking day. But wait, why are they talk all of this? We see say the coronavirus done there now all part of the world. Salone are the last country now West Africa we get this coronavirus. And now we don't register 2 cases. Not only that, we're going to 72 hours lockdown. Very good. A very brilliant way for able for handle the coronavirus at the early stage. This nothing where country like South Korea be able for do, we make them be able for adjust proper one. It don't say where they get the coronavirus, you know, before Europe, but at least their death rate is not too much as compared to Italy, compared to China, compared to America and Spain, for example, where yesterday get the highest number of death rate of 950, will not ever happen in any part of the world for one green day inside 24 hours. So now, when you look at this thing where the government don't plan for doing, 72 hours lockdown, but inside the national coordinator of the corona response in talk, all what it can tell we, it just say we dey plan for do contact tracing.
Now we want to break the chain of transmission. That's a second reason. Until we break that chain of transmission, we risk having it going beyond our control. Now we want to also have this lockdown so that we can actually target these people that have already been identified as primary or secondary contacts to be given the appropriate kind of treatment they need and to be, you know, at least advised on the way forward as from that point.
Thank you very much for that. But another question will come to my mind. This really enough for make sure say we able for handle the coronavirus contact tracing? At this point where we just get, you know, few people that we know of, we go say, okay, we dey try for put things in place. But how about the time when it will reach to community infection? What do we go do? Contact tracing? The answer is no. Now, let me tell you something about contact tracing. When you say contact tracing, basically, now when you don't know, say, may get infection, yeah, I'm able for tell you, say, na so place I don't go, na so place I don't go, na so place I don't go. You go able for say, okay, let me do tracking. And see them people so we don't come in contact with, we put them under isolation or quarantine, as we can call them. But if we don't know, because plenty time can they, like for example, when they ask people in Germany, say, or Italy, for example, how they come in contact with this particular thing. Some of them, they don't fly out of the country and come back, you know. So when they come back, who say don't pass? That flight, they almost people them. So you see the danger. Now, with first case, for example, we able to get them from somebody who come up to France, according to waiting the government of Salone say, through Air Brussels for come inside Salon. He goes Salon inside the 16th of March. Then tell we the 31st of March about the case, in confirmed case. During that 10 day, how most people then? Because the honest truth now, not all man will be able for handle na the airport. Some people be escape. Because some man where they travel, you know, they work out big bag and waiting. And we only they notice a person on travel from the airport where hold big bag. Now they tell them to stop them. But apart from that, nothing like that. So contact tracing in this case will get little or no value at all at the end of the day. So let me go back to country them like Germany, country like Norway. Okay, like Norway, where they now the Scandinavia, in one of the countries they now they will do very well for able for block, you know, the spread of the coronavirus inside the country. How they do them? Testing. How Germany do for make you find out say right now, Germany gets high number of infection rate. The cases them from Germany. If you look at the cases them within Germany, you compare them to France, you will say no, Germany gets plenty coronavirus case past France. But if you turn it in the reverse form, France gets more death rates in the coronavirus than Germany. You know what it make? Germany not get beaucoup death rate, Norway not get beaucoup death rate. Now because of them do early tracking when in Salon they do contact tracing, not to just that. Then find out that that's not going to be enough. Then say, okay, let me do testing. Like Germany, for example, then begin for test, you know, house to house, but at one point in time, they find out, say, the nurses them not get the gears them for the go house to house, protective gears them for able for go house to house, for able for check people. So then say, okay, on account to we, let me check. Now, every day, Germany they do about 100,000. And Germany now, people in the Gona line, they team up with a space of 1 meter between, and then they team up na line from 6 a.m. till in the evening, just for make them go able for check and do testing. And people are really they cooperate. Now, to Salon, the question is, we get that train. We get gears the day for able for test the whole country. The answer now no. Why I say no? Because even as recent, the government of Salon been get some you know, coronavirus gears them, you know, where Ethiopian airline been go with. You know, this now one of the things that we can always they look forward to for donation. You know, but the government, as it is right now, government basically can get plenty help from other countries. Right now, the United Nations, they talk say, they help developing country them for make sure say they give them some testing equipment or for give them some equipment then for fight the coronavirus. Apart from that, how we as Salon go able to get this kind of thing here, so this kind of money also for order for equipment then. Thank God, UN they help we, China don't send, you know, to Ethiopian airline for help we and all of this. The interesting part of them, as their equipment here so reach us alone, few days after, we'll be able to announce we don't get the first case of the coronavirus. But one thing we go make we able to beat this, I think it's testing for everybody will find. If you find out say you do testing, the number of the virus, you know, the infection, it will go up. But we were able to handle death. The amount of death we will come out at the end of the day, we were able to handle them because plenty countries the way they get low death rate and because they're able to get early, you know, detection. They're able to know who that gets this sicker at an early point. But if we wait, say the person don't go at another stage where they don't begin for the sick, then for let we able for handle that person there for make another die, it will be difficult. It will be very, very difficult. This nothing where like Italy, for example, then they try now for do testing, but at the initial stage, you're not going to do that at all. And you find out say the infection rates go up. And for Salon, for example, we get this problem. Even inside the Ebola, we see that happen. when they say when you seek reports na hospital, let me know if na Ebola or not. Plenty people been the hide and seek. Plenty people been they prefer for go na pharmacy, for go to the MPP doctor, for go to that nurse where they na in neighbor, for go get treatment rather than a go na hospital for know whether na ordinary sick or for know if na the virus you get. Well, inside the Ebola thing, we find out say at the initial stage, we not been get plenty idea. So for me, new experience and from what I see with me research, plenty of the first set of people them will die. They either die because of the chlorine we they use for them, or they die because of the distance of the hospital, the center, then tell the treatment center, then tell the testing and treatment center. We know say Kenya, for example, now they even get this Lassa fever, you know, test center we been there. And we've been since they all been there inside the hemorrhagic fever family, we be able to use that very fast for do say we get tested. But for right now, we don't get some quarantine center them, we don't get some places them we don't open according to the president. But the question is, we get enough things them for test? First experience, na salon, not can find at all. But the government, for make sure say they do very much well, more than waiting they don't do. I would recommend the president for in action where he don't take. But I think say we for do more tests, because if we don't do more tests, we fear say the number will go up politically with this and that. We not will able for succeed. And I think say 3 days for lock the country for 3 days not enough at all. The government for make sure they get rapid coronavirus test kits them available, and therefore they do outreach. Therefore we get plenty health workers them, community health workers them. So we for make sure they then train them community or health workers there so, and equip them with protective gears, so that they were able for the go house to house or community centers then for the test. Now, for people that we don't begin for the show symptoms of the COVID-19, therefore make sure that they collect sample. Then same community workers that so, because in the hospital then, if the numbers go up, it could be very fearful. And then community health workers there so for make sure say when they don't collect sample, therefore make sure say they communicate the test result and refer them patients here so to the main hospital then for make sure say they go get the treatment when they forget. Now, the Ebola been kill plenty people inside salon. And the nurses them as well, or the health practitioners them back, them been suffer greatly into this particular Ebola where we been get. Because now then they very close to the patients them, and then they at risk for contact any of the virus, whether Ebola or this coronavirus. Like for example, inside Italy, the health workers them, na Lombardy region inside Italy, been get 12% of infection rates versus 1% of the general, population. So, what does this mean? And what we look at inside the fight of the corona inside the country? This for health practitioners them contract this particular disease, where we get, or this particular sick. Not only means say it will reduce the number of the workers them were available for fight the virus, but same way so it would dampen the spirit for able for fight na the front line. And let me tell you something, health workers 70% them of the woman them when they lack the protective gears them for do them kind of work there so then they become infected. So they need the equipment them like gloves, gown, mask, for make sure say they're able to protect themselves. Now, health worker, when they go na the front line without proper things or with substandard, equipment them like gown, mask, glove, all of them things they do. Now like soldier man, where they go off front without helmet. So this not only about the government and the partners them like WHO, UN or whatsoever, but we get companies them na salon for example, where me particularly they call on them for let them come and they help the government. We see inside Nigeria, a whole company, a telecommunication company, give almost billion to the government of Nigeria for able to fight this coronavirus. So I know say people them don't begin come, because even the time where we begin get this particular thing the quarantine center Lunge, we see outside people them like Mega Cola and other one them, you know, when they come and help with food and other things them. So I think say people them really go able for do them things there, so for make sure say this particular sick here so spread like other parts in the world. And let's tell you this again. Coronavirus anywhere na threat to people them everywhere. So the one or the two cases where we don't get now threat to everybody right now inside Salone. Now, you know, we define out say politically, we get certain people them where they for spread information na the social media without any background check, or when they do it with malice, or when they do it because not all the government they in place. Like for example, this emergency, state of emergency, yeah. Not the first 10 days then they invoke them. After the war, now the second 10 days that they invoke them inside Salone. The last time for the Ebola crisis, they invoke them for 1 year, because now 1 year the constitution make provision for. And Parliament go they look into this thing after every 3 months for make sure say they change something or they add something when and how it necessary. So not to the first 10 days. Certain things that they will not need for the politicizer. You understand them? We do it for the good of we people in Salone. So we for make sure that we support for first this common enemy when na coronavirus, where we not even get plenty idea of how we found it. Now let me look at this again. Anytime we get epidemic where they strike, especially the coronavirus, where plenty people know say don't get plenty negative impacts on the whole of the world. Fear and anxiety they become the order of the day. And this they make people then become weak, frustrated, then they give up and all of this. But I think say Salone, not a country like France or country like Italy, we don't get experience with the Ebola. You know, so we for learn from the experience we get from the Ebola in our country. Me no say Salone very strong. Let we know this thing again. We not forever define ourselves by the condition where we face with. Rather, we for define ourselves by the way how we respond to this particular thing also. Now, this I want for say now to the coronavirus responder, you know, team and the government as a whole. You know, for let we search for this virus, when are the coronavirus, without testing. For let we able for break the chain of the coronavirus without testing. Now, like where we dey look for needle, na dark, we could just the blindfold ourselves. So we get for take note of that. And the other thing, 72 hours. I must say right now the government they scared for take certain decision because people in day out where go to criticize anything where they do. But I'll tell you now something. If you fear because of the kind of criticism where you will get from people, then you're not able to do the right thing. You need to do the right thing, and then people will criticize you. But at the end of the day, they will say yes, you do well because of you do this. But if you fear, and then many people will lose their life, and then they will get for blame you back at the end of the day. So you do, they will blame you. If you not do, they will blame you. But if you do, then you get good results, then will blame you, then will criticize, then will make waiting, but they not will get serious point for all at the end of the day. So for me, 3 days for do testing, because my testing me they focus on not to contact tracing. Contact tracing now like we defend, you know, needle na dark. You do contact tracing, they ask question, then waiting at the next thing. You know they do test. Some people they're not the manifest, it's not the manifest inside them. Because they say the incubation period now 2 to 14 days. But some people 10 to 27 days before they begin to manifest the symptoms then. So you see, we just announced them a few days ago. We get to be very hard in the decision we take, Mr. President. Not fear of anything. If you fear, I know say yes, things will be difficult. But if you fear certain things, then people will lose their life and things will become more harder after than wetin you go get for the way people dem go feel right now. So let me look at the things wey go happen in the future rather than wetin we go get for see and experience in this short term. Let's have a short term plan and a long time plan. So if you look at some other things that when me they analyze based on wetin I dey see in other parts of the world, then we will get good results. Because this now wetin Germany do, they get infection rate, but the death rate very low. This now wetin Norway do, they get infection rate, but the death rate very, very low. Italy failed for do that day at the initial stage. So you see wetin happen is spread and death rate very, very high. Spain itself now the same thing. Italy and Spain, because of football match, last football match when they go waiting, people experts speculate say now this virus don't turn bomb on them. Now they young because now young people are more. Now they come with the thing first before ever it begin for spread. Right now, in Spain, for example, inside 24 hours, don't broke the record of all countries in the world with the highest death rate of 590 in just 24 hours. God forbid. Astaghfirullah. With the power of Jesus Christ, with the power of the Prophet Muhammad and God Almighty, we not will ever reach to the point in day. The experience we don't get per Ebola, it go be for Ebola and Ebola alone. Coronavirus. But we don't see, for example, Liberia. Now they don't get about 10 cases, but nobody know die yet. Guinea don't get about over 20 cases, but nobody know die yet. You know? Nigeria, they don't get one person we don't die. So we can do one. We can even, as long as we be the last, now we could be the first for jump out of this. But we could only be the first for jump out of this if we be very, very hard. I know say the president na soldier, I mean soldier, it will be very strong in terms of decision making. But what did happen? Poppy, kick you game. I know say right now, even when I talk to, not to everybody will like what I say. But any meaningful Sierra Leonean, we want to see the life of Sierra Leone people and safe. Then you get to think of the radical way for do things for make life safe. A better tell we suffer right now inside us, then pull all the number then, then we be free after 3 days, the virus spread back, we contact and plenty, the virus spread back, and then people then begin for die, and then we continue for being inside lockdown. We know what happen inside the Ebola. People then die. So please, sometimes can they for report things them because of the kind thing where you expect is fine. Sometimes they not even corona, just report to doctor, just report to the hospital, then will tell you, then will do test and then will tell you whether na corona you get not to corona. Let we not free. Inside this year, so where this outbreak don't be so, I go do, I go hospital to them because of the way out me in the field. I've been in the field for the first time I don't ever feel like I get difficulty in breathing. If I don't climb up na step, because at times I not like for use lift, I can want for work on the step like exercise. If I climb up na step, by the time they reach up, I go blow. Any small thing I do, I make so safe. I the blow like for say I want for die. This make I become worried about the whole thing. But at the end of the day, I go do a test. One thing. Doctors say, not see nothing. He test me for corona, this and that, put all me mortal thing, and not see nothing. I come back. I go back because I'm not satisfied. Then tell me the same thing. But not knowing that, then get one other thing where they call grippe. It's different from corona, now grippe. Where if you are a flu-like thing, now I didn't get. Where it be very difficult, it make me feel very uncomfortable and all of the things in there. So, if you fear for going to hospital, you will die. But if you not fear for going to hospital, you will be safe. Do you understand that? So please, let me not fear. Let me take time and go to hospital, because we never know what it will be at the end of the day. I decided to tell you now about this my own personal thing. Because I want for let we all things say we health come first. Whatever way you feel can be something else different. So even now this make I even discuss on the point of test kits for the government. Because if na salon, for example, I get any kind of symptoms here, I be feel pain, you know, I be get cold, I be feel pain, I get cold, then I dey find it difficult for breathe. If na be salon, for example, the people in the beginning say I don't get corona. And the second thing, because of what we experience inside the Ebola with the first cases, then you never know waiting for me don't happen with me by now. Because even the world first way for me don't tell me that you say, hey, na corona you don't get soon. That panic, that fright, you know, go don't make a die way not to even get her. So this make her tell you say, not listen to anybody when they tell you something, listen to just your doctor. Then will be the best person for advice you say na corona or not to corona. And that not to by word of mouth. Now when they don't do the test, then we're able to tell you say na corona. Not to just because they ask you questions, say you feel this, or you feel this. Now just the test go prove say you get coronavirus. If me, they not be do me test several times. The 2 times where I go, I not for me know waiting there. If I be the eye, so then I for be not waiting. But where I go, they able for give me another medicine we make I able for okay as I talk to you so right now. So you see, let me be strong and let me keep the faith and not say yes, corona will end with me. If me not get coronavirus, nobody not get them. Let me be strong and with faith. Let me be prayerful and let me not say anytime we lose faith, anytime we lose confidence, anytime we feel plenty, we immune system then they begin for weak. The thing they tell now we one whole body, and then at the end of the day we can even sick without corona. And if for example we get any like symptoms like what you need to get, you will die, and then you gain the count of corona where not even corona you get. So please let me try and be hard in doing things. By so doing we will be strong and everything will be okay. Until we meet again with another edition of We Yard. My name na Aliou Cissé, my producer na Usman Justin, and my technical assistant na Awanato Cissé. I love you. Thank you very much to all the one that we don't watch this video. Thank you very much to the one that will subscribe, like, and comment. If you get anything we want for talk, you agree or not agree, please let the comments below. Now we Facebook or we YouTube channel. I love you. God bless you. Stay safe.